Today we're going to be making this girl. I'm gonna make this girl throw up or something. So first what we have to do is get some water in the glass. And now since we have some water, we'll take this, we will put it into there. We will take this, we will put it into there. We will take this, we will put it into there. We'll take this, we're putting it into there. We're taking this, we're putting it into there. We're putting a bunch of salt into there. And time for the peppers. And I'm also gonna make her something really disgusting. I'm gonna cook her, some kind of, I'm gonna cook this in a disgusting way. So first I'll cut it. Here. Let's cut it here and here and here. Until it's like little blocks of clay. Here. So now we'll take this and we'll fry it all up. I have to fry it everywhere so it gets fried. Now since we have this, I'm going to take the mustard. I'm going to put it onto this. Mustard everywhere. Mustard, ketchup, spicy stuff. Whatever this is. That looks disgusting. This here. Some salt and some peppers. We have these.
Hello. How are you, Mr. Bang? No.
What the? Only one piece of. Where's all the other pieces?
You're doing chocaboca?
Let's give her all these. Let's give her all these pieces of meat.
I'm gonna pay chocaboca too.
And then we're gonna like make it disgusting for her. And so how to make it disgusting for her? We're gonna first put some mustard. Then we're gonna put some ketchup and hot sauce. And then whatever this is. Then lemons, salt, and peppers. And now we're gonna take all this. We're gonna take this and we're gonna throw it in there. And we're gonna stir it. And even make it even more disgusting.
Oh yeah.
And we're gonna put a bunch of hot things. And these lemons. And this. And this. We're finally done. Now we're gonna put this into there. Now that it's finished, we're gonna put it there. But now it's time for the most important part. So the most important part is to give her this disgusting drink. Drink some more. This is disgusting. And the meat is also going to make her that. Eat this. So eat this. You like it? Oh my, she likes the meat. Alright, now we're gonna make her the most disgusting thing ever. We're also gonna put all this. We're gonna put all this into there. Let's make her this. That's probably gonna be disgusting.
What is it doing?
Now we're gonna take some raw meat. Raw meat. Raw meat. Some raw meat and some raw octopus. Now just wait. I'm gonna pretend that I cooked the sausage. But I actually cooked it. Okay, it's good. Try this first. This is gonna be disgusting.
Look! Let's give her the carrot. What?
Okay, now I'm gonna cook you good food. So the good food is I'm gonna cook this. And here's the good dish. Some lemons for her. Some salt. You also have to make her a good drink. We're gonna make it out of carrots. No, you're still supposed to eat the carrots. Make it out of carrots.
Look! He did not want to eat carrots. Look at him. What he's doing? He did not say carrot.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a hot
Out of
sauce.
carrots and watermelon.
I didn't kid, but she was not eating mine. I'm gonna give you some water. Get some water
Here.
now.
I think you're gonna like it.
I get some water for you. I'm gonna do that.
Now you'll probably want to drink water. That's finished. There's no one little bit. So there's no one little bit. That just wait. So look, he will eat this. He loves this. He loves this. Raw meat. Okay, guys, so we're gonna feed her the most good thing ever. So we need some fish, we need some of this, we need some of this, some of this, some of this. What?
I feed him. I'm feeding him.
Some of this. Now that we have this, yes. We're gonna have to fry all that. Okay, this is done. But this here it's done. How about okay, it's done. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's done. We're gonna feed her everything in the fridge at one time. Let's see what she says after that. Oh. Eat this, 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 and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, no. And this, 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 this and this. No, you ate all of it at one time. You are disgusting. Now I'm gonna use some water. Just don't worry, we'll mix it with some raw meat. I don't know, which one does she like she hate the most? I think this one's good. That one's disgusting already. Mixed with raw meat. Now that's what you get. Most is gonna be spicy and chili, honey and thisy. No, you have to drink this. Now what do I want to make it out of? Let's make her a shake out of something. Out of shrimp. Let's make her one out of the what?
The e-cigarette charging here.
The what?
The electronic cigarette. The charge right
No.
here.
Okay guys, so today's video is done.